This is how to close apps that are running in the background on your iPhone. Anytime you open an app, let's say the music app, and you do whatever it is you're doing, and then you close it, you think that app is closed, but it's actually not. It's still running in the background. To see how many apps and which apps are running in your background, just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and just hold your finger until you see this little outline of an app appear, then let go. If you're using an iPhone with a home button, just double click the home button and this will pop up as well. And these are all the apps that are currently running in the background that I had open recently and didn't close. Just swiped off of them and they're all still running. And this is all taking up RAM or using up RAM and space on your phone. Could be slowing your phone down. So usually once a day, I close all these. To close them, just swipe up with your finger on the app and you can go pretty fast. Or if you have one that you want open on the front, I often swipe the one in the back like this. That's the little trick I do. And I keep the one open on the front because I don't want to close all my apps all the time. Or I can just scroll to the side and then do the ones in the back. And just keep the ones open that I want open. Because maybe I'm tracking a walk or a run on my phone using the Map My Run app. I want to keep that on. Then I just close all the others. Or I just close all of them. I hope this video helps. If it does, let me know by liking and subscribing. Then check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. It's pretty simple to do, and you should be doing it on a regular basis. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.